Welcome sa ating Saturday morning vlog. And today, technically ay first day natin dito sa Taiwan. And guess what? It's my birthday. And samahan niyo ako, si Jam and Marga to explore the north coast of Taiwan. We will visit Yellow Park, Jufen, Shifen Waterfall, same as Shifen Old Street, kung saan makikita natin ang magagandang tanawin, and let's try some local food. Tara! Good morning, Taipei, Taiwan. Mag-room tour ulit tayo in a morning view. So that's my sister with her someone. So again, medyo spacious naman yung room for two of us. Actually, pwede higaan dito. Tapos meron tayong TV, merong mini ref. Tapos dito yung vanity. Dito yung entrance. Tapos may lamp. And the restroom is also, ay nagamit na namin yung restroom. Malaki din. Yan. May stage yung CR, di namin alam bakit. Tapos yung blinds na yan, pwede yung iakyat para makita yung view sa labas. Hindi na ako masyado papasok kasi buksa. Hindi namin. And today is 10 degrees. Magkausap ko ba, sister? And here's our view. And yeah, it's my birthday today. Sinulat ko. Oh my god, it's so cold. Dito tayo sa center of Ximending. Yeah, it's 10 degrees. Ayun lang. So, in a bit, mag-prepare kami. We will go to Northern Coast. Tapos, wait lang namin update from Jam. See ya. At this point, nakapag-prepare na kami ni Marga, nakapag-bihis na kami, and we will go downstairs na kasi doon yung meet up namin ni Jam. Nasa 6th floor kami, yung room namin. Then si Jam naman nasa 8th floor. So doon na kami magkikita sa baba, pale. So this is Ximending. At then, ay sister, may mga kapo. Tawagan na natin si Jam. Jam is here!
Joy is here.
Ay,
kamusta naman gayong kagabi? Okay naman.
Diyos ko, nangatog kami doon sa... Ay, thank you. Siguro kami ni Marga nakatulog around 4 a.m. and we woke up 10 a.m. for us to prepare sa meet-up ng tour namin for this day. Kasi yung meet-up namin is 11:15. But we've decided na hanapin siya mas maaga kasi hindi pa kami familiar sa area na to. At dahil medyo maaga pa tayo at hindi pa tayo nakapag-breakfast, we've decided na mag-quick breakfast dito sa flour rice noodle. At eto, Aichung flour rice noodle. Medyo sikat to sa TikTok eh.
Okay ma?
Yes.
Yes ha. Yes lang.
How do you like it, sister?
It's good.
Masarap. Natikman mo na ba? Ikaw, Jam.
Yes, may pagkalasang tinapa.
Tinapa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yung pangkaalat. Rice noodle.
May ano to eh, may pork intestine.
What?
Pork intestine. We're going to our pick-up point. After ng quick breakfast namin na flour noodle, papunta na kami ngayon sa pick-up point namin. Sobrang lapit lang actually siya kung saan kami kumain. Ximending area din yung pick-up point. So, meron pa tayong around 20 minutes actually na free time. Pero mas okay na mas maaga tayo doon. So, good morning. Nelmer.
Which final name you?
Let's look for our name.
Yeah.
Here, Pochero,
How many?
La Guardia. 3.
Here?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Okay. So today, your group number 5.
Group number 5.
Yeah. So later I'll make a roll call by group number.
Okay.
Please take the show, please.
Tayo nga yung nauna sa pila guys, and pinascan sa atin tong QR code na to at binigyan tayo ng something na mag-identify sa atin as part of the group. Yung QR code, doon yung info ng mga pupuntahan natin. Thank you.
First come, first serve diet.
Tawa-tawa ka, ano sabi?
First come, first serve.
Sabi niya, sabi ay nag-gets ni sister.
Oo. Sabi niya, today is first come, first serve.
We left around 11:20, so may mga 5 minutes leeway lang from our original departure time. Now, paalis na tayo ng Taipei. Yung first stop natin is yung Yalliu Geo Park. So, yung biyahe natin is around 1 hour and 10 minutes. And while nasa biyahe tayo, and entertain naman tayo ng ating tour guide. At siya yung tour guide natin for today. Name niya is James. Tapos may mga social media accounts din siya, yung James Bear. So as he speaks, pwede nyong i-follow yung information na sinasabi niya from the QR code na skinan natin kanina.
A motorcycle in Taiwan. The answer is... It's wrong. Higher. How many?
5 million.
5 million? Higher. 20 million? 20 million? The answer is... Lower. Too many. You know, 23 million including kids. In Taiwan, you need to over 18 years old. Get a driving license, you can ride motorcycle scooter. So lower than 20. 10 million? 15 million. Alright, almost 15 million.
At si Marga pa nga yung nakasagot ng trivia kanina about number of motorcycles in Taiwan. And at this point, super lapit na natin sa Yalliu Geo Park. And a quick trivia lang na yung Yalliu Geo Park is located in the northern part of Taiwan and famous siya sa mga unique geological formations including the iconic Winshead. And we're hoping na makikita natin yun mamaya. It's so cold.
The Taiwan responsible.
Susunod lang daw tayo. No?
Peta.
Ibibigay natin yung pera sa kanila for the ticket.
Okay, so we talk about the map, okay? Wait a minute. Go there. The map.
Maulan nga yung dating natin dito sa Yalliu Geo Park, and nag-iisip kami if bibili ba kami ng raincoat, which is 100 NTD lang naman siya, or around 180 pesos. We'll see if makaya natin yung ulan. Bibili na lang tayo later.
And it's mostly shaped like mushroom, so we call mushroom rock. 那个第一区很多这个长相香菇的石头。
Sa tour na to guys, marami actually nationality na nakasama, pero majority Pinoy din. And yung tour guide natin, maalam naman siya mag-Chinese, and maalam siya mag-English tsaka Chinese. So tinuturo niya lang yung mga places na pwedeng puntahan at pwede mag-take ng picture.
Walk to the end, you will see.
Nakaka-save tayo ng time. Oh my
1 hour lang
God.
tayo eh.
It's so cold. So we're entering
Hindi naman
Yalliu.
papawisan dito kasi labig po.
Oo.
Ito na pala eh. Ito na. Ito na yung akit natin.
Oh my God. It's so cold. Sister,
Yes.
do you wanna build a snowman?
Okay, bye.
Mga vloggers. Bale, kanya-kanyang lakad na lang tayo dito and we will stay here sa park na mga 1 hour din. Pero parang makapal yung raincoat nila. Yan ba
Oo.
yung binibenta?
Maganda naman yung raincoat nila. Sabi niya, mas maganda para sa 7-Eleven.
Kasi feeling ko sa Jufen, maulan doon. Feeling ko lang. So, tsaka remembrance na din. Kasi parang sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba? Parang,
Nag-joke ka
Oo.
tayo sa'yo. Baka di naman ganun ka.
oo, parang baka sabihin nilang OA naman natin. Nag-suggest actually dito si Jam na mag-gloves kami. Pero sabi ko, baka hindi naman ganun kalamig. So parang in-underestimate namin, which is mali ako.
Gloves pala.
Ha?
Standard gloves pala din.
Parang hindi ko kaya magsalita.
Ano pa?
Sobrang lamig.
Bakit, sister? Magsalita ka.
If I were to estimate from the entrance bago marating yung mga rock formation, siguro mga 3 to 5 minute walk pa. Pero bago yung sa mga rock formation na yon, may mga spots na dito na pwede mag-picture-picture. Ang lamig. Kaya to.
Ano ng mga rock ano nila?
Formation around the world.
Okay kayo?
Sige, go lang.
Ito daw dapat ka. True.
Paano tayo makapag-picture-picture? And additional trivia guys na yung park na to is approximately 1.7 square kilometers and features a variety of strange and striking rock shapes formed by wind and water erosion over thousands of years. Ganon siya. By the way guys, we booked this tour via Klook and ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below. We are not yet confident na DIY to and I won't recommend it to. So, mas maganda if mag-join muna tayo sa mga tours. Hindi lang ako sure if saang part dito pero siguro somewhere doon na yung Japan. So ready? Ready ka na lang o yen? I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see what I'm dancing. Gusto kong i-achieve yung I love you.
Ganun ka.
Oo, mas gaganon ako.
This is Mr. Bean.
I forgot.
Statue of me.
Yeah.
At this area.
I forgot his name.
This place is a lot of people.
The heroic deeds of Ling Chanchen. Please see interpretation signs on the right side of the platform.
So, tao nga naman pag sila.
Para tayo nasa Ireland, mga ganon. Sorry. Dito sa tour na nabook natin guys, hindi pa kasama yung entrance fee ng Yalyo Geo Park. There's a separate payment amounting 120 New Taiwan dollars or around 212 pesos. So, depende yun sa tour guide nyo if if siya na yung magbabayad, i-collect niya na lang from the group or kayo yung pababayarin niya individually. Pero sa case namin, yung tour guide namin na si James, siya na yung nagbayad at front, tapos bibigay na lang namin yung pera sa kanya later. Meron akong video na napanood, I'm not sure if sa TikTok yon, dumaan lang siya sa FYP ko, na from Yaleo Geopark daw, since northern coast na siya ng Taiwan, may isang island daw na part na ng Japan na pwede nang makita. Though, I'm not sure if totoo yon or if it's really visible. Now, at this point, parang si Marga yung navigator natin. We're actually trying to look for the Queen's Head na, and we're taking this path paakyat sa hill na to, pero parang naliligaw na kami actually, though may map naman na provided, pero it's still quite confusing for us kung saan hahanapin yung Queen's Head. And it was super epic guys, kasi akyat kami ng akyat, wala pala dun yung Queen's Head, so kailangan naming bumaba at parang dead end na din doon, parang mga bangin-bangin na doon, and parang di nga dapat pumunta doon eh. So we look at the map again, and doon namin na-realize na doon lang pala siya sa baba, hindi na kami dapat umakyat. So yon, pinapagod na naman namin ang self namin, and pababa na kami papunta doon sa mga spot kung saan maganda mag-picture talaga, at kung saan andon yung Queen's Head and other unique rock formations.
Heart-shaped rock ata yan.
Dragon's Head. Wala lang akong copy ng map guys, pero sa map actually and sa entrance mismo, makikita nyo na doon yung mga pictures ng mga unique na rock formation other than Queen's Head na hinahanap natin, and other doon sa nakita nating Dragon's Head. Now, nakikita ko na, eto na yung yung hinahanap natin na famous na Queen's Head, and we are fortunate na makita siya na intact, kasi a few years from now or anytime, pwede na actually siya mag-collapse kasi manipis na yung nag-hold doon sa head ng queen mismo due to erosion. And that's it muna guys for this Saturday's video. Next Saturday, ipapakita ko naman yung ating tour sa next stop natin, which is yung Shifen Old Street and dun sa Shifen Waterfall. And if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Happy weekend! Thank you for watching!